line unstuck.
Bro, get the fuck out the way. Is that hand done? Oh yeah, dude.
You gotta try to not get mine.
Yeah. Damn, look at that interior, dude.
I thought your car, like you did like another video in the parking lot. Yeah, this is where I see this. I forgot my dad.
They were good. If they were good, you would have brought that shit.
What you thinking? What you thinking?
It's the best.
The best?
The best here. When have you ever seen a rag top on a camera?
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just put his picture too.
Fuck it. Doggy dog.
Everybody's waiting.
Hell yeah.
Sideways what? I like the sideways.
There's a big fight over this thing. Yeah. I just love looking around the side. Wait up.
What you got? What you got?
Butt plugs.
Oh. All right, just got back to the shop, waiting for Mike to get here so we can work on my car. Got to finish primering up the front fenders, hood, rear deck lid, and then we got some odds and ends right here. First, let's put the game on, maybe get some jams going, and then we'll get set up here.
On it for this game, and he's going to fizz that one all now. I certainly think from an English perspective, the right side has been in the conversation. 4 different right backs in 6 matches. By the way, back in for Kayasaka. That was a big call for Tom. He is...
All right, let's hope Norway gets it. Fuck England. Let's see what I got from Mooneyes. That's for Mike. My posters. Little baseball 3/4 shirt. Antenna topper. This I'm gonna use to delete my wiper holes. And then this is for the windshield washer fluid sprayer. So let's put this on real quick. Ooh. Ooh. Is that hard or? Yeah.
There's something outside.
Something outside. It's a compressor, fool. 1-0, 1-0. I don't have what? I got a fucked up chair you could use as a like a paint stand. Dude, this thing's so hard to roll around. Ugh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. All right. Cool. Yeah, we're just leveling it, right? Because the sandblast left it all fucking nasty. No, god damn it. Fuck. No.
I'm only doing okay.
Keep my shit straight.
Is that a fly?
Is that a fly? I don't know. Oh, yeah, that was a little... Oh, don't be my camera.
Here, hold it. Let's get that.
Oh, my bad, bro. Careful. Watch the paint. Oh, I just saw a fly in front of in front of the camera. Why is that so hard to say?
You high-key don't have enough primer.
I don't have enough primer?
Hell no.
What do you mean? You mean the whole thing's gone?
No, no. I just don't have enough room. I don't want to mix more.
Oh, you're gonna have to mix more, dog.
Let's see if I have enough. I don't.
You better make it work.
Yeah, cool.
All right.
Fix it.
We got this shit on our paint stand. All the body work is done. Those are just speed holes for ventilation.
Tack cloth right here.
Tack cloth is a blue rubber glove, and we're spraying in our paint booth. Oh no! Damn it. I said don't forget the fucking ashtray, and he forgets the ashtray.
What does it mean?
Little flow coat.
Glass.
Flow coat. Ooh, glass off the good. Why is the paint eating the foam? Oh hell no. Oh dude. Look at that.
That's the good stuff.
Well, all right, that's a wrap. Time to go home. It's not the nicest, but it'll do. It's better than nothing, right?